Can you believe that broken trash baskets, which seem ready to be thrown away, can be turned into healthy eggplant planters right at home? With just a little creativity and a few simple steps, today I'll show you how to turn waste into a small, lively garden where plump eggplants grow day by day. If you live in a townhouse, apartment balcony, or a small rooftop, this video will help you make the most of every space to grow clean, homegrown vegetables for your family.
Like, subscribe for more garden videos.
I reuse these trash baskets to grow eggplants with an automatic green fertilizer system made from kitchen scraps. It looks simple, but it's very effective.
If you've tried this method, comment below and let me know how it worked for you.
When adding soil for planting eggplants, I place a layer of rice husks and organic fertilizer in the middle. This helps keep the soil well aerated and nutrient-rich, so the plants can grow well from the very beginning.
If this tip helps your plants grow better, tap like and leave a comment to inspire others. After about 1 week of germination, the seedlings are now strong and healthy. At this point, I transplant them into new containers and add green fertilizer to the reservoir bottles.
If you're enjoying this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe to support the garden.
Once the plants have established strong roots, it's the best time for feeding and care. I remove weeds, loosen the soil, and add more soil to help improve natural nutrients and keep the soil well aerated.
If you've tried this method, comment below and let me know how it worked for you.
As the plants get ready to flower, I continue loosening the soil and removing weeds to keep it light and healthy. I also add homemade green fertilizer from kitchen scraps into the reservoir bottles, which provides a long-lasting source of nutrients. If this tip helps your plants grow better,
Tap like and leave a comment to inspire others.
When the plants are flowering, besides keeping the soil moist and adding organic fertilizer, I also use support stakes. These help support the plants when they start producing fruit, preventing them from bending or breaking under the weight. In addition, I spray the plants with a diluted MSG solution. During this stage, the plants can be sensitive to weather changes and insect activity, so this is used as part of my care routine. Even with simple tools and a small space at home, we can still create a lush, productive eggplant garden full of life. I hope what you've just seen inspires you to start planting today and enjoy the joy of harvesting your own fresh eggplants. If you found this video helpful, please come back to the channel so we can explore more simple and effective gardening ideas together.